I'm back, and something kind of interesting happened. I was getting ready to film my new plants from the other plant haul when I noticed this had finally turned like I've been wanting it to. Well, not like I've been wanting it to. I wanted it to turn up, and it turned down. So it did. That's bright for a. Yeah. That. No, I can't. I'm not going to try to stay off of it because it's just blinding. And my exposure is off. Sadly, I'm still new enough with this, I don't know what to do about it. So, I wanted it to turn up, and it turned down. Plants don't always do what we want them to. So, that is still a fail, but we're going to have an interesting spike. Okay, moving on. I got some other plants the day after I did the first haul. I went back and did another one. And I've got another, you can't tell necessarily, but I got another African violet. There was, I took both of them that were there, and then the next day I went back and there was a third one, so I've got 3 now. This one had little hints that it was going to bloom. I didn't talk about it because I assumed that they were just blast, going from one environment to another. I just kind of assumed that I would have to wait. But they didn't. They seem to still be growing, and it looks like they're going to bloom for me instead of blasting. And then there's this one. Kind of dark over here. There we go. That's the other one I had. But the reason I'm going over here is I got this big pepper plant of some kind. I'm not real into peppers, but it's kind of a purple ornamental pepper plant, so I found it interesting. And then beside it, I've got that, whatever that is. Beside that, I've got a glass fish. Okay, that's just a decoration. He's not really part of anything. I got this. Now this I do know. It's a form of sedum. Now, I guess I don't know much. That's about all I know, is it's a form of sedum. And my exposure is just really off today. It's as if the auto function is not working properly. I got another pepper plant. Most of its leaves are dead. Got another fish too, see? Most of its leaves are dead, but I got it for the peppers, which kind of hard to tell because the lighting is not liking the camera, and the camera is not adjusting like it's supposed to. But there's red peppers, there's orange peppers, and the ones that look like they're glowing white, at least to me, are yellow peppers. Looks like it's fake, and they're lit like a light is inside there, according to the view I'm getting. There's the other fish. And then, yeah, I just got a pot. I thought that this sedum dropped a leaf. The leaf that's pointing right out at me. See if I can get my hand in the video. There, that leaf right there at the end of my fingertip. I thought that was detached and I was going to try to start a whole nother plant. Well, it's attached. I could break it off and